How to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. Next, make sure that you're logged into your account and then tap on the three lines over here at the top right corner. Now it will lead you to the settings and privacy. So just tap on the settings application or the option over here. Then scroll down and then tap on see more in account center. As you do that, scroll down again and under account settings category over here, you'll be able to see the option of personal details. So tap on personal details and here you can see the option of account ownership and control. So tap on it. Here you have two options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So tap on deactivation and then select the profile over here. As you do that, you have two options of deactivating or deleting. So since we want to delete the Facebook Lite account permanently, you can just tap on delete account and tap on continue, and it will just make sure that it will delete all your Facebook pages and account that are associated with your current account. Then tap on continue and then you can just give any reason over here that you want to provide, and let's just give any reason and then tap on continue and it will just give you this option. So tap on continue and you'll be able to delete your Facebook Lite account permanently. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.